Hello, little ants. We learn about the domestic animals, that is, farm animals and wild animals, as well as their young ones. Okay, now let's find out how they makes the sound. Okay, and what the sound is called. So first we will see what the sound is called. Then we will hear their sounds. Right? When the tiger makes the sound, it is called roars. So what we say? Tiger roars. Here snake hiss. Zzz. So snake hiss. The bear growls. The bear growls. Tiger roars. Snake hisses and bear growls. Here you will see the dog barks. Dog barks. Horse neighs. Horse neighs. Rooster crows. Cuckoo. This way it makes the sound. So rooster crows. Cow moos. Duck quacks, quack, quack. Elephant trumpet. Hmm. Sparrow chirps. Sparrow chirps. Again, cow moos. Duck quacks. Elephant trumpets. Sparrow chirps. Goat bleats. Bah, bah, right? This way it makes the sound. Monkey chatters. Cat mews. Meow, meow, right? The cat mews. And here lion roars. So who is roars? Who roars? Lion and tiger. So these are the animals and their sounds are called differently. Now let's do this exercise after watching the video. But before that, see what you have to do. Here the animals and their names are given, right? You have to write what they sounds. What is the sound they makes? That name you have to write over here. And all these sounds are written here. First, read the names of the animals. See, tiger, cat, elephant, snake, cow, monkey, sparrow, dog. And now see what are the sounds. Roars, barks, whoo, whoo, moos, chirps, hiss, chatters, trumpets, meows, meows. So now you see what the tiger says. Tiger, what is here? Roars. Cat, meows. Elephant, trumpets. Snake, hiss. Cow, moos. Monkey, chatters. Sparrow chirps. And dog barks. Right? Now let's hear the real sound of these animals.
Lion, bear, tiger, wolf. elephant. Us. Rhinoceros. Fox. Hippopotamus. Monkey. Gorilla. Cheetah. Crocodile. Kangaroo. Chimpanzee. Giraffe. Snake. Hyena.
These are hens. Sheep. Hope you enjoyed the sounds. Okay, now let's do one of the activity with the animals and their young ones. Right, here is that activity. On the one side you will see all the big animals and this side their young ones. So you have to match the animals to their young ones. But how will you match? You have to take the piece of wool and make the strips and match over here. Now tell me, what is the sheep, cat, lion, fox? These animals babies are called. Come on. Yes. Baby of sheep is called lamb. Where is that lamb? Here. The baby of sheep is called lamb. Cat. Baby of cat is called kitten. Lion. lion's baby is called cub, and here fox baby is called pup, right? So what you're going to do for this activity, we need Fevicol, okay, and the wool pieces. What you have to do, you have to put the Fevicol from the big animal to their young ones. Now let's take the lamb, okay. What is the baby of a lamb is called, sorry, ship. Baby of a ship is called lamb. So we will put this way, we will keep this like this, we will keep the wool. And what you do, put the Fevicol line over here and keep this wool on it to stick it properly, right? After this, what is the another one? See, cat, the baby of a cat is called kitten. Then we will stick this another wool over here. Same way the remaining also you have to stick. Lion to its cub and fox to its pup, right? So use these strips of the wool and stick accordingly the animals to their young ones. Understand?